Family trip to the airport. Subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, and start your journey to confident English today. Hello, everyone. Today, I will tell you a beautiful and simple story in slow and clear English, so you can listen, understand, and improve your speaking skills step by step. This is a story about a family, a happy family, and their exciting trip to the airport. So, are you ready? Let's begin. It is early morning. The sun is just rising. The sky is soft orange and light blue. Inside a cozy house, a family is waking up. The mother wakes up first. She stretches her arms and smiles. Today is a special day. She quietly walks to the kitchen. She starts preparing breakfast. Soon the father wakes up. He looks at the clock. "Oh, it's time," he says. He gets out of bed quickly. In another room, two children are still sleeping, a little boy and a little girl. The mother walks into their room softly. "Wake up, my dear," she says gently. The little girl opens her eyes. "Is today the day?" she asks. "Yes," the mother smiles. "Today we go to the airport." The little boy jumps up. "Yay, airplane!" he shouts. Everyone laughs. The family gets ready quickly. The father checks the bags. Passports? Check. Tickets? Check. Clothes? Check. The mother packs some snacks, just in case, she says. The children wear comfortable clothes. They are excited. They cannot stop smiling. Soon they leave the house. Outside, the air is fresh. The street is quiet. A taxi arrives. The driver smiles. "Good morning, airport?" he asks. "Yes," the father replies. They put their luggage in the trunk. Then they get into the car. The car starts moving. The children look out the window. They see trees. They see shops. They see people walking. "Look, a bus," says the boy. "Look, a dog," says the girl. Everything feels interesting today. The mother says, "Remember, today we will hear a lot of English." The children nod. The father says, "Listen carefully. Try to understand." After some time, they arrive at the airport. The building is big, very big. "Wow," says the girl. "So many people," says the boy. They go inside. There are many lights. There are many signs. Some people are walking fast. Some people are waiting. The father looks at the screen. "Let's find our flight," he says. They walk to the check-in counter. A woman smiles at them. "Good morning," she says. "Good morning," the family replies. "Passports, please," she says. The father gives the passports. She checks everything. "Do you have any bags?" she asks. "Yes," the father says. They put the bags on the scale. "Perfect," she says. "Here are your boarding passes." "Thank you," says the mother. Now they go to security. "Please put your bags here," a man says. The children look curious. They put their bags on the machine. They walk through a scanner. Beep. "Oh," says the boy. The man smiles. "It's okay. Try again." This time, no sound. "Good job," the man says. Now they are inside the airport. They see many shops. They see food, drinks, toys. "Can we get something?" asks the girl. The mother smiles. "Okay, but just one thing." They buy a small snack. The boy chooses chocolate. The girl chooses juice. They sit near their date. The father checks the time. "We have some time," he says. The mother says, "Let's practice English." She asks, "What is this place?" The girl answers, "This is an airport." "Very good," says the mother. The father asks, "What are we waiting for?" The boy answers, "We are waiting for the airplane." "Excellent," says the father. Soon an announcement comes. "Passengers for Flight 205, please come to Gate 7. "That's us," says the father. They stand in line. The children feel excited and a little nervous. The girl asks, "Is it safe?" The mother smiles. "Yes, it is very safe." They show their boarding passes. "Welcome aboard," says the staff. They walk through a long tunnel. At the end, they see the airplane. "Wow," says the boy. "It's so big."
They enter the plane. A flight attendant smiles. Hello, welcome. Hello, they reply. They find their seats. The children sit near the window. The girl looks outside. I can see everything, she says. The boy waves at people outside. The plane starts moving slowly. Are we flying? Asks the boy. Not yet, says the father. Then the plane goes faster and faster, and suddenly, they are in the air. Wow! The children shout. The city looks small now. Cars look like tiny toys. Houses look like boxes. The mother says, this is your first flight. Remember this moment. The children smile. The flight attendant brings juice. Here you go, she says. Thank you, says the children. The father says, let's practice one more time. He asks, where are we now? The girl answers, we are in the airplane. And where is the airplane? He asks. In the sky. Perfect, he says. Time passes. The children feel relaxed. They enjoy their journey. Finally, the plane starts going down. We are landing, says the mother. The plane lands safely. Everyone claps. Did you enjoy it? Asks the father. Yes, the children shout. They leave the airplane. They walk through the airport again, but this time they feel more confident. The girl says, I can understand more English now. Me too, says the boy. The mother smiles proudly. Learning is fun, she says. The father says, every journey teaches us something new. And this journey taught them English, confidence, and happiness. So, my dear friends, if you want to speak English fluently, you must listen, you must practice, and you must enjoy the process. Start with simple stories like this one. Repeat after me, speak slowly, and don't be afraid of mistakes, because every mistake is a step forward. Thank you for listening, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, for more amazing English stories and practice sessions.